Areca-Tree Literary Toolbox.
Simile.
Hey, I'm Christina, and I'm going to tell you about similes.
Simile, simile. Figure of speech using like or ask for comparing things. Simile, simile. Figure of speech using like or ask for comparing things. Solid as a rock, wise as an owl, swim like a fish, quiet as a mouse, roll like a weed, has eyes like a hawk, cool as a cucumber, cunning as a fox. Simile, simile. Figure of speech using like or ask for comparing things. Simile, simile. Figure of speech using like or ask for comparing things. Proud like a peacock, yellow as the sun, sharp as a needle, sticks out like a sore thumb, quick as a wink, sweet as a honeybee, stubborn as a mule, cry like a baby. Simile, simile. Figure of speech using like or ask for comparing things. Oh,
All right, one more time.
simile, simile. Figure of speech using like or ask for comparing things. Oh, simile. Oh, simile.
She is pretty as a picture.
Oh, simile. Oh, simile.
They are happy as clams.
Solid as a rock, wise as an owl, swim like a fish, quiet as a mouse, grow like a weed, has eyes like a hawk, cool as a cucumber, cunning as a fox. Simile, simile, simile. Figure of speech using like or ask for comparing things. Simile, simile, simile. Figure of speech using like or ask for comparing things. Oh, simile. Oh, simile.